Your workforce runs on the browser. Every click, copy, and upload can expose data. Pasting intellectual property into an AI chatbot. Capturing customer data in screenshots. These actions happen inside the browser session, where proxies and endpoint tools can miss them. The old approach to this problem is a dedicated enterprise browser. Deployment takes months. Users push back. Shadow IT returns. Now there's a better way from Skyhigh Security. With Skyhigh Secure Browser Controls, users continue using their favorite browser. Security runs inside the session across the browsers. No installs, no extensions, no user disruption, live in minutes. Stop risky copy and paste. Turn off printing on sensitive pages. Digitally watermark screenshots in restricted sessions. Inspect prompts and uploads in real time and stop sensitive data before it reaches the model. Mask PII directly within the page, all enforced in line with one of the industry's most advanced data-aware classification engine. Browser controls run inside the Skyhigh SSE platform. One console, one policy engine, coverage across managed devices in BYOD. Employees keep the browser they trust. Security teams gain full control. Every browser, every session, secured.